about 6 knots. So
Marathon City Marina, Marathon City Marina. This is Castaway.
So that's good. Sun's out.
This way, this is City Marina.
Not raining yet. No complaints.
Okay, going to 1.
Trying to get some of our bedding dry, tying it up on the rails. That's kind of our mission for today.
So, had a bit of a rough day again. All went well. We got out onto the water and then the wind picked up. We were heading like 22, 25 knots, which is all fine. We were just motoring directly into it. Had some decent sized waves, maybe 4-footers. But we're really banging along into it. Anyway, I came down to change into my shorts, I guess, this afternoon. And I noticed that there was a wet garment on the bed, and I was like, why would Josh put his soaking wet hoodie on the bed, making our bed wet? That's ridiculous, and I was kind of pissed, but I also was like, that's really weird, because he really wouldn't do something like that. Anyway, I pulled the garment off, and next to it was a top of mine, which was also soaking wet. I was like, okay, that wasn't wet before. And then I felt the bed. And the entire bed was saturated with seawater. Like, the entire thing. I'll show you the floor. Porter loves it. He's got this new sleeping place. All of the bedding, the duvet, the pillows, feather pillow, are saturated. The mattress topper, I'm glad we had on, that is also saturated. The mattress itself is not too bad. There was some stuff underneath the mattress which is a bit damp, but anyway, I'll show you how our cabin is currently looking. It's kind of sad. This is the mattress, which is currently drying, we hope, up against the wall. It's not too bad. There's definitely some big damp patches on it. You can see the dark patches there. The bedding we're just going to have to wash when we get to Miami in a few days, so I think we'll be sleeping in the main saloon. Luckily we have a spare set of sheets which are intended for the guest berth, so we'll be doing that. Broken on the boat right now. Yeah, they actually aren't sea crabs. They look really narrow on the chart,
Yeah.
but they're fine in actuality.
We're having jerked pork chops.
Copier.
Yeah, the jerk was really good. Some coconut rice and some mango and avocado.
Yummy.
Very Caribbean style dinner.
Porter's come to help.
Still looking for that piece of mango.
How's she looking?
Getting sizzly.
Sizzly. Sizzly pork.
Finally gotten hot.
I'm sad that our barbecue outside isn't working.
No kidding. This is a poor substitute for an awesome Australian grill.
Yeah, one of the things we love about the Seawinds is that they're made by Australians who value the art of grilling.
It's a great built-in grill, if it worked. Which it doesn't.
Of course not. Because everything's broken on a boat.
Right.
What a tasty looking dinner.